The box comes with one smart splitter, one mounting bracket, two thumb screws for quick installation, or alternatively, two low-profile panhead screws, as well as two bracket screws. In order to install, first identify and turn off the corresponding circuit breaker in your panel. After determining the correct orientation for the mounting bracket, unscrew the corresponding faceplate screws from your wall outlet. Next, screw in the bracket using the provided bracket screws. Then plug in the smart splitter. Once it's plugged in, use the provided thumb screws or low-profile panhead screws to secure the smart splitter to the bracket. Then plug the appliance into the primary side receptacle and the EV into the secondary receptacle. In a dual car use case, ensure your priority vehicle is plugged into the primary receptacle. Once both outlets are plugged in, turn the circuit breaker back on. And finally, plug your car in and start charging. With the smart splitter's auto-switching functionality, the primary side will take priority, and after it finishes, it will automatically switch power to the secondary for seamless EV charging. In a dual car use case, the EV on the primary side will charge first, before automatically switching power to the secondary EV.